So let me show you how to send USDT from Binance Exchange to Phantom wallet. First of all, after you open up now your Phantom wallet like this, now tap on this receive button. After you come to this receive button, so copy this Solana address. Just copy the Solana address, don't mind. After you copy this Solana address, now close the Phantom wallet and go to your Binance. So after you come to your Binance Exchange like this, now tap on this trade section. After you come to this trade section, now go to this combat. So after you come to this combat section in the Binance Exchanger, so now tap on this option now to choose your USDT. So now go ahead and choose your USDT. So from the second option now, go ahead and tap on it and select Solana. So I will just go ahead and search for Sol, S-O-L. After you type in here is Sol. So from this option now, type in the amount of the USDT you want to convert to Solana. Let's say I want to just send like $100 of amount of USDT to Solana. I'll type in $100. So after you type in $100 like this, now all you have to do now, just tap on this preview button and then tap on this convert. So after you tap on the preview, it will give you another button which says convert. If you have enough, like here is it now. So just tap on this convert. Instead of increase, it will give you convert if you have enough USDT on your account. So after you convert the USDT into Solana, just tap on this back and then go to this asset at the bottom of your. After you come to this asset, all you have to do now, go ahead now and find the Solana. Let's say I'll just tap on this withdraw button and then tap on this withdraw again. So from this option, go and search for the Solana. I'll just go ahead and search for Sol. So after you search for Sol like this, select it. Now tap on this send via crypto wallet. So from this option, now paste in the address in this option. So the address you copy from the Phantom wallet. So here it's now it's Solana. So now go ahead and add in the Solana. So after you just tap on this max button, so it will just send all the Solana that you converted from the USDT, and tap on this withdraw button. So after you send the Solana into your Phantom wallet, so now if you want to change the Solana into USDT in the Phantom wallet, all you have to do, just go back to the Phantom wallet like this. So after you open up the Phantom wallet, now tap on this swap section. So after you tap on the swap section like this now, so now at the top, make sure you select this, make sure you tap on this option now and select Solana like this now. So I already selected Sol. So this option at the top, you should be Solana, and the second one should be USDT. So tap on the second one and switch it to USDT and go and search for USDT under the Solana USDT. So as you can see now, here is the USDT. Just select it like this. After you select the USDT like this now, so now type in the amount of the Solana you want to convert into the USDT. So you can just go ahead and type in the amount, like let's say 0.5. So after you type in the amount, so from this option, all you have to do, you can tap on this convert button. So as you can see now, it will give you, this is 74 USDT, and then tap on this convert button. From there, the USDT, the Solana will be converted into USDT. That's the only way you can be able to send USDT into Phantom wallet. So now if you converted it, if you want to see the balance, just go back to the home. After you come to this home page, in the home page, you'll be able now, if you scroll to down, you'll be able to see your balance of the USDT you get. And that's it, guys.